I don't know. I just listened to other old shit
No.
with a lot of bands though.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I
Hey,
hit my left
HR
foot.
man, you're gonna have to talk to this guy.
What's going on? Another HR violation?
This man just touched me.
Please step into my office right now.
Oh my god, not the office. Not the office.
I'm waiting. Let's go. Come on. Don't got all day. And jump. You got a spider in your foot.
I hate that.
We all pile in the bathroom
What?
for this HR meeting.
What the fuck is this?
Here,
Hold on,
take a seat. Take a seat over
Take
there.
a seat.
job.
Actually,
Take a seat.
take a seat next to the vase. Let me grab my
Please.
clipboard here. Hold on.
Pile in.
What the fuck are we doing here?
Let me grab my clipboard here. All right. Let's see here.
I feel very unsafe.
Okay. Members of the HR meeting, we have a count of an individual who appears to be a violent.
I don't even work here.
Do you work here?
No.
Okay.
do
Welcome to welcome to HR
Ew.
court.
For what?
It
I
seems
don't
to
even
be
work
you are
here.
a involatile customer who seemed to have struck one of our employees.
He said he liked it.
Is that true?
No, sorry, I did not like it.
Okay, well, we'll get to witness testimony soon. As you can see, we have no police officers on duty, so this is an active bench trial in my HR office.
I mean, you got Sarhan. Where's Sarhan?
No, he flew out. He actually he took a slump upstairs and
dropping a log.
well, he's gone. Anyway, like I said, so this is gonna be a bench trial. You ever had one of these?
A toilet
No.
trial?
Toilet trial, yeah.
Trial.
On my
Toilet
porcelain
trial.
throne, of course. Anyway,
I thought it was ceramic.
Porcelain?
Okay.
No, it's porcelain.
Awesome. Alright. Got that good shit.
so here we go. Alrighty.
Can't even give
So,
us 2
members
minutes.
of the committee, we have 3
Committee?
employees. You are going to be the defendant. Mr. Cowboy with the
I ain't
clipboard is going to be
defending
the
shit. Fuck.
plaintiff, okay? He's the one bringing apart this HR violation. You guys are basically
God.
both going to just tell me your both sides of the story, and then I'm going to... And then if you have any witnesses to call inside the room, you may do so. But first, I want your opening statements, and then we'll call the witnesses, okay? Is that understood?
I guess.
I am the HR lead, so that makes me the judge of this toilet court.
Toilet court.
Is that understood?
This is a shitty situation.
Oh, yes, sir.
It is indeed a shitty
It is.
situation. That's a good joke right there. I will write that one down.
I can't keep a straight face.
Alrighty, anyway. Let's get to it. So, opening statement for the plaintiff here. Can you state your name for the record?
Yes, my name is Creed Rollins.
Creed Rollins. What's your occupation?
I am a serviced professional auto tech mechanic service investor.
He touches cards.
Okay. You mind telling us to the committee here? I mean, unbiased, of course. You mind telling us exactly what are we here for?
Yes, okay, so, Your Honor, courtroom, we are here today because this man right here
He's
touched me.
touching me.
Yeah, I
He
would
touched me
please to refrain any
inappropriately.
physical contact between both of you.
I'm poke him in the eye.
I'm
Save
very
it,
I
sorry.
save, save it
wasn't-
until
no,
save
don't
it
do
until
that.
after the
No, I wasn't
toilet
touching him. I wasn't touching him.
court. Okay.
I was just
good.
pointing at him. Just pointing at him.
Okay.
So anyways, this man,
I felt threatened.
this man, approximately 10 minutes ago, come up behind me and aggressively just grabbed me by the arm. And with just no saying. I mean, he barely even made contact with this man. And he just comes up, grabs me by the arm, and just throws me around.
Oh man.
I mean,
Oh.
this is, I just feel violated. I mean,
It's okay, Creed. It's okay. We're here for you.
But Your
What?
Honor, I mean, the charges we're seeking here today, Your Honor.
Order! I
Uh,
just want to acknowledge this is a very unbiased court. Please refrain your comments to yourself for the time being, okay? You'll get a
Okay,
chance to
yeah.
speak. Sorry, continue,
Yes,
Mr. Rollins.
yes, Your Honor. So anyways, yes, approximately 11, 12 minutes ago now at this point. As I was saying, this man come up behind me, aggressively grabbed me by the arm, shook me around a little bit, with just no say, none at all. And that's why we're here today. That simple violation.
I'm sorry for your loss. Anyway,
Thank you.
His loss.
that brings us to the defendant. You have your opening statement.
Yes.
Please proceed.
He just gives off this aura that I felt heavily threatened by him.
I get that. I get that.
And when someone's just like very brolic, you have that genuine fear when they just look at you like they're just gonna swing on you. And I felt like that is why I swung.
Bro just straight up said, I'm gonna start. I felt this aura. Is that all you have for the toilet court?
That's basically what I
I
got.
object. I object to this.
What is your objection?
Action.
Contempt of court.
What did you say?
Contempt of the bathroom.
I give contempt. Yeah, that's not you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Proceed
yeah.
then.
Okay. I will say, I forgot to say, you can object to bullshit. Obviously, if there's any objectable offenses, you could say objection bullshit. We can verify the facts. Okay, that's the only thing I'm going to say about this court. It's toilet court after all. It's not a bench trial. Well, it is, but you guys understand. Okay. Plaintiff, do you have any witnesses to call?
Oh, I have a witness, all right.
Please call your witness.
Yes, I'd like to call my witness of Miss Kara Wobbles.
Again, I just want to make a concern that there is no bias. This is very unbiased, okay? No prejudice whatsoever, and you cannot appeal afterwards. You understood? Talking to the defendant.
Yes.
That's understood. Okay, perfect. I just need you to know this is a toilet court. This is not a. This is HR. Okay. Wait. Who did you point at again? I'm sorry. There's two females in here.
Not me.
There's also gender neutral bathroom, by the way. I just want to make that known. If we didn't know that already.
That's why we're all so comfortable in here.
We just
It's
need
a
to state
safe
that for the
place.
record. Anyway, who's exactly testifying?
Purple hair to your left.
Oh, okay, perfect. Can you state your name and occupation?
Yeah, Kara Wobbles. Also, I forget the whole title. It's a whole thing, but I work on cars.
Could you just state what you work for?
I'm a head mechanic at Ellis Customs.
Okay, again, I just want to reiterate there's no biasness whatsoever towards this court. Okay, you just need to understand. We just need to articulate
Absolutely.
that. Okay,
Absolutely.
perfect. Okay, plaintiff, you can take it away. You have any questions for your witness?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. So, Miss Kara Wobbles, approximately 15 minutes ago now, closely. We were out there. We had just made a transaction with a nice customer, and I believe you were there when you saw this man come up behind me and aggressively grab me on the arm.
Objection.
Yes.
There was no proof.
Well, that's the wrong objection, but you had a good idea. It seems to be that the plaintiff is testifying here. Can you please ask the defendant or the witness your questions? Again, we're trying to make this as unbiased as possible.
Okay.
You also are very compound, so you're mixing a couple of too many questions in there. It's hard for me to understand.
Yeah, I don't even.
make it
No.
lucid. I don't think she was here. She was listening either. So I mean, it's just me.
Okay, so where were you at approximately 15 minutes ago?
Outside in the shop. You know, right out there.
Yes, right outside the shop. So
Well,
approximately.
in the shop.
Okay, so were you standing around me about 15 minutes ago?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Did you witness a man come up to me and grab me on the arm and violate me?
I'm gonna be honest. I was totally looking the other direction.
So much for that witness.
No
That's
further
tough.
questions, Your Honor.
So,
Defense, you like to cross-examine?
yeah, I don't think there's much to be said here. I think that just kind of summed it up. I feel like if it was a big altercation, and, like something he's saying, I threw him around the room. is the
Okay,
words he likes
defense is
to use.
testifying. We're gonna move on to our next witness. Plaintiff, do you have any more witnesses?
Ori.
Hold on, give me 1 second. I need to go cuss somebody outside because they're revving their engine. Hey, jackass, turn your vehicle off. Your engine's too long, and we're having toilet court right now.
I'm about to leave. Chop, man.
Okay, we'll turn the engine off, or get out of here. Thank you. Fucking asshole. Alright, excuse my
Jesus
language. I
Christ.
just told him to fuck off. He got out of here.
Did you shit on that guy's parade?
Yeah, I also left my porcelain
Lay
throne.
down the law.
Okay.
No further questions for
No further questions for the witness. You are excused. You can go out and help people now. I think we have some people rolling in.
Okay.
That's all right.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
She can be she can sit over there. We'll change it because my next witness.
Yep.
Is actually Ori, right here.
Okay, please, witness, would you mind standing next to me to my left?
Okay.
Or you can sit in your lawn chair. That's
Pardon
up to
me,
you.
Terry.
Lawn chair in the bathroom. Got it.
Yeah, we have some. Are you discriminating because they don't have that at the fire station?
No,
Do you
I
even
believe they
have a
should.
fire station?
We used to. Unfortunately, the medical director is broke.
Oh yeah, that's right. You guys are still paying your bills. Okay.
Hey, woman, come over here.
All right. Anyway, again, just want to reiterate: there's no biasness whatsoever towards this court. Just need to again re-clarify. Anyway, plaintiff.
Reggie, tell that woman to get over
All
here.
right.
No, wait, hold on. Sorry. I forgot to swear in your other witness. So honestly, we're gonna strike her statement off the record. But ma'am, if you mind holding up your right hand. That is your left hand. I don't think you know your rights or lefts.
No.
That'll do. That'll do. Do you faithfully, solemnly swear you will tell the whole truth in the truth, nothing but, in faith of the toilet?
So help me God.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Good. She swore in. Carry on, plaintiff. Oh, wait. Hold on. What's your name?
It
My
is
name?
Ori Auroran.
Roran. Okay. What's your occupation here?
I am a
That's
mechanic
unclear.
for LS Customs.
I'm in
Again,
a
not biased whatsoever. All right. You proceed.
In a
Proceed.
toilet. contempt of court right now. So I'm
Yeah, you're
busy.
able to proceed there, plaintiff.
Thank you, Your Honor. So anyways, Miss Ori. So about the.
Actually, hold on. I need to explain something. So when we're in my court, there's a toilet court. You gotta respond to me as Your Majesty, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
All right, thank you. I'm sitting on my porcelain throne, as you can
Majesty
tell, obviously.
of-
So
Of the toilet.
just
yes.
Your Majesty, of course. Okay, thank
Well,
you.
I'm
You can
just gonna call
proceed. Sorry about that.
Mondo
I, just,
Duke.
I needed to make that. I needed to make that known. All right, you're good to go.
Hey,
Sorry.
that's a good article.
You know what we call
ahead.
the Mondo Duke?
You're just the defense.
Okay.
Objection. Objection in the courtroom.
Sustained.
Yes. Yeah, Your Honor. Let's see. Where was I?
Questioning this witness.
Your Majesty.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, so Miss Ori, so where were you approximately at 18 to 20 minutes ago at this point?
I was to the right of where you and Miss Kara was. I was by the garage doors, downstairs on the mechanic shop floor.
Ah, wonderful. So you were working here in this shop here at that time.
I was indeed, yes.
Okay, so at the time, did you see anything? Did you see anything crazy going on? Like crazy happening? You know, any
I saw people
anybody
throwing
getting?
fists outside, and I saw a
Oh,
butterfly.
okay. Yeah, that sounds like something could be happening there.
Yeah.
Did you see anybody in the shop? Maybe a fellow coworker getting maybe randomly dragged around on the arm, you know? Maybe grabbed
Y-
aggressively by this man?
yes, yes, I did.
Okay, thank you. And it was this man right here, correct?
Yes, yes, it was. In fact,
Wow.
I feel scared that I am in the holy bathroom, in the same room as him. I feel like my life is in
Scared.
danger.
All right, I'm gonna refrain from the witness from glazing my office. Proceed.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Only a king could be in here. You know what I'm saying? I have some I have
Again,
some
order,
questions for
order.
the
Please
witness.
refrain your
So what?
comments to yourself. You
So
may
what did
proceed,
you?
defend or plaintiff.
Yes, Your Majesty. So what did you think about this? Whenever you saw this happening, this man grabbing your fellow coworker by the arm and dragging him aggressively through the shop.
Absolutely awful. I thought it was a tragedy, and it was very uncalled for.
Thank you.
I
There
have
there
a
will
couple
be.
of questions here for the witness.
It's not your turn yet. All right, plaintiff, continue.
Thank you. I have no further questions at this time. Actually, that's all I needed to know.
Perfect. Defense, is it now your time?
All right. So I have just a couple of questions here. Just get my clipboard out here.
The imaginary one out of your ass. Okay, yeah, proceed.
Oh yes. So my first question is I'm just curious, if the person that was currently next to this man right here didn't see nothing,
Can you please
you
state
happen
the
to
record of the person you are talking about? Because this man is not a good pronoun or explicit specific for me to understand.
all right. The man here, Creed Rollins,
You could just
is
say the
saying that
plaintiff.
the plaintiff, Creed Rollins, was standing right there. But you're saying that you happen to see something. However, the person next to them, Kara Wobbles, is saying she saw absolutely nothing. I'm just curious where you were standing in this room.
I was down by the garage doors, on the mechanic shop floor. I turned around when I heard the commotion, and I saw the action play out.
Okay, so you saw a commotion. Can you kind of explain the commotion of what you saw?
I saw you next to Creed. You seemed to be on top of it, and he seemed actually like he was tackled onto the floor.
Dear God.
Oh, well, unfortunately, I have a broken hip. I can't do any of this tackling that you're saying.
And
I'm gonna
I
object
wanted
to
to get
that.
this
What's the
taken care of.
relevance? What's the
What?
relevance to the
The
hip?
relevance is that if I had actually tackled Creed Rollins as to what she's saying, I would never have gotten back up, and I still would be standing here. That's for sure.
Mm.
I would
He
probably
never
be
mentioned
in
this before,
on the way to the hospital.
Judge.
You guys can't say that.
Well, that's because I
Everyone's
never
not working
tackled this
on it.
man, so that's a false statement that you're saying.
I see. I see. Proceed. Sorry.
Um, but yes, I would like to counter that because, like I said, it's a false statement. Because, like I said, I would not be getting back up, right? If that was that's what I'm trying to
Objection
say.
bullshit.
Uh, Overruled. I want to
Uh,
hear what he has to say.
If you no, let the objection go because I'd like to hear how you would get up from a broken hip.
What I just ruled in your favor.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I'll let it go
I give you a point, and
yes.
you still wanted me to take it away. What?
then. Yeah, no, you're fair point. Fair point.
All right, please proceed.
Um, so the tackling doesn't. It was, like I said, it's a false statement. Like I said, I wouldn't get up. So I'm just curious if why didn't Miss Kara Wobbles, who was next to Creed, see anything or hear anything? I feel like if I was throwing him around the room like he said, I feel like she would notice that being next to him.
Are you
and not
testifying,
someone
or are you
halfway
asking
across
the witness a
room.
question?
I'm just I was gonna ask like why is she saying she's not seeing anything, but you are halfway across the room saying you're seeing
How would I
something.
know?
It'll be by
I am not her.
Do you agree that she would have noticed it though if something was happening, being right next to him?
Because stop, I know you
Again,
hate
I
it.
do not know. I am not
I
Kara.
mean, that's just purely speculation.
I mean, would can we agree that she would at least have heard something?
But you're
Yes,
speculating.
don't
We don't know that. You know, that's just
I do
purely
not know that
speculative.
Well,
information.
I think we both could agree.
You
if
have
I
There's a
know
lot
question-
he's-
okay, hold
going
on.
You know, I hope you
Let
know
me
that.
let me interject again. You're speaking to this witness. This witness.
Yeah, no, I know. I
Ask
was gonna say, can we
questions.
both agree
Yeah.
Okay.
that if she's right next to this person, the sound is going to travel
Oh.
closer and a lot louder to someone next
Are
to
you
them
an
than someone
expert
halfway
in
across the
physics?
room. No, but
Okay,
that's
so
just general knowledge.
let's move on. And you have any other exciting questions for this witness?
You had your
Um,
chance to question the other
where
witness.
you're
but
saying that? Well, I didn't need to because she said she saw nothing.
Well, we also
but
strick
you're
her
s-
witness statement from the record because I didn't swear her in.
That is also true.
So technically,
Um,
this could be a mistrial, but this is toilet court, so that doesn't apply here.
Where would you say you're saying I grabbed him, then you said I tackled him? Can you go into more detail as to where?
You mean like where this occurred?
Where did I supposedly strike, grab, hit, drag?
I don't. I mean, last I looked over, you were right next to him, and he was on the floor, like you tackled the man. It was by the rack where we clock in for work.
You're saying when you turn around, you saw me. Was I midair? Was I on top of him?
You were on top of him for a split second. Yes.
Okay. Is there any cameras or anything that we have to find this? Or
I
just
do
your
not know that
eyeballs?
information.
Oh, I
Just
just
my
want to tell
eyeballs.
you, we do
That
not
makes it
have.
tricky.
I will answer this, but we don't have cameras, so sorry. You're
Of
kind of
course not.
SOL on that one, buddy.
Of course not. Oh, because
Gosh, that's a PR
didn't have
disaster if we had
That
cameras.
is. That is.
Do you have
truly.
any witnesses to this?
no, I do not.
You don't think Reggie was nearby?
Not that I recall.
Maybe
I
saw
thought Reggie
something?
was outside.
Hmm.
Do you want me to call Reggie and see maybe he saw something? I guess it might be worth a shot, right?
I don't know. It's kind of going on too long. You guys have a job to do, and we're just.
Yeah, I would agree. Your Majesty, I'm looking for
Oh.
the death penalty.
Oh no,
What?
nothing of that nature. I mean, maybe we'll consider it.
Mondo
But
Duke.
do you have any more questions for the witness?
No, I think that's all for today.
All right. You want to recall the other witness?
No, I'm good.
Alrighty, closing statements. Plaintiff, would you like to give your closing argument?
May
Yes, I
I leave?
would.
Leave the stage.
Yes, you can leave. Yes, you
Okay.
are dismissed.
Yes, you are, Your Majesty. Thank you. Your Majesty, the guy who touched me, the courtroom of this here bathroom.
Totally
Come to
non-biased.
you.
Again, I just want to reiterate Okay,
I come to
proceed.
you today as a man who was violated and just hurt. And I hope you find happiness somewhere. You know, whatever you're doing. And I hope you just don't randomly touch people and grab them and shake them all
Is
around
something
aggressively like.
funny?
No. No, Your Honor.
Good.
I am, Your Majesty.
Okay. Sorry about that disruption. Proceed.
But I come to you today as a legal man, never done a single crime in my life. And I'm just looking for some simple death penalty for this here man for
Yippee.
these crimes today.
You ants in your pants?
I don't know, maybe.
You just consistently twirling around, giving me epilepsy.
What?
Sorry, I was trying to address the
Flashing lights and
bathroom.
sudden movements. This was exactly
trying
what
to
you were
address-
doing.
I'm trying to address the bathroom as I
Oh,
talk,
right. You
know.
just have to address me. This is toilet court. This isn't a real courtroom.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Thank
My
you.
apologies.
Thank you. Are you done?
Yes, I rest my case here today.
Okay.
An honest man.
Nobody said you weren't honest. Okay, we're just gonna proceed. Okay,
Okay. So we're looking
the
for-
defendant, closing arguments.
Yes, my closing argument is that there's conflicting statements here by both the plaintiff, my bad, and the witness. He's saying that I grabbed his arm. She's saying I tackled him. Clearly, neither of them have an idea of what happened. I feel like at that rate, with the conflicting, there's no fine. We don't have an actual answer as to what actually happened, and I feel like in that favor, I feel like this should be no contest, and I'm hoping they rule in the right way, being that there's no 100% answer to what actually happened with true confidence. Due to one saying that I tackled him. He never even mentioned the word tackle. He said the word dragged and pulled on his arm. So clearly, nobody knows what happened. Not even the man that had the issue.
I see.
And that's my closing statement.
Okay. Real convincing, both of you. Alrighty, if you mind, please, exiting the room. You guys can sit out in the locker room, and I will come out there and tell you what the verdict's gonna be.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Hey, no hard feelings about this, right?
No, nothing at all.
Mm-mm-mm.
I'm chilling.
What to do?
Taking a shit.
What was that? I am taking a shit, but I'm also thinking very hard.
Don't forget that newspaper, sir.
Well, I wipe my ass with it.
The article seemed really interesting.
The evidence.
Well, now it's a shitty article.
Oh, I can't. It's so hard to keep a straight face.
This is a serious thing, sir. This is serious.
It's a lot of Mondo Dukes.
You don't take this seriously?
Absolutely not, sir.
You may please re-enter the room.
Please bring his verdict.
Can I bring the Febreze, sir?
No. It's okay. We have ventilators. Surprising, considering it's an office.
Ventilators.
It's my office. Come on. It's not smell that bad. I keep it clean when I can. Alrighty. I've heard both sides. Took me a little long time to delegate. Well, also while dropping this turd in the toilet.
Proof of turd.
Don't need you to show proof of turd. That's
That's his business.
yeah, that is not your business.
True. Shitty business.
I come to find in favor of the plaintiff in regarding the incident because neither of you questioned me because I saw the whole thing. I saw you punch that man.
Yes, but he was saying that I grabbed his arm. There
Don't
was
matter.
no punch.
I saw it.
Go.
It was very
One saying
biased.
the
I told
tackle-
you it was unbiased. It was very biased. You were going to lose no matter what. That's just how life spins sometimes in some ways. That's how you know our government is
Push
corrupt
him
as
off
fuck.
his throne.
Yeah, I don't know
Good
what
thing
you're...
that I have body cam, sir.
Oh, sorry, Your Majesty. Sorry.
Anyway, like I said,
Sorry about that.
it's a great thing when you know the government's corrupt. Now that you know it's against you at all times. Now, as I rule in favor of him, there is no death penalty. That's not happening. That's a bit absurd. But here's what I am going to be sentencing you to. A week of ordering this man lunches.
Okay.
You are
I
going
can do
to
that.
get his phone number. You are going to call him every 30 minutes you are on shift. Do you need
Sounds
food?
good. Yes, sir.
If he ends up having to get somebody else to delegate him food, or has to go to a restaurant himself, you're going to come back here, and it's not only going to be my face you're going to be seeing, it's going to be a face full of shit when you get down there and I'm giving you a swirly.
Really?
I'm making myself clear.
Yes, Your Majesty.
You want to insult, well, not insult, because I do the insulting here,
I like
but you
salt.
wanted to assault one of my employees?
No, sir.
Well, you did. So now's the time to pay for it, which is making sure this man's hydrated and hungry, or well, and full every day for the next 2 weeks.
Well fed.
He will call
Wait, what
you.
if he dies?
You must answer. If you're not on duty, I get it. I respect it. You're not around. But if you are, and he calls you, you best believe you send that man some food his way.
Your Majesty, what if I'm on vacation already scheduled? The next 2 weeks.
Well, then, we will postpone it until the week after or when you are back.
Okay, sounds good.
So you get his phone number, and you let
It's on
him
the
know.
website, prankcall.com.
Oh, I feel bad for you. What's surprising is I literally have given out my phone number in public, and nobody has put mine on there yet. So it's
There you
actually
go.
kind of funny. Best believe it. So, like I said,
Oh, you
Oh.
did.
Classic.
how's it sound? How's that sentencing sound? Feeding you food
Sounds
for the next
pretty
2
good.
weeks.
I mean, yeah, it sounds pretty good. I
I
was
think
really
that's
hoping for
really
the
fun.
death
Yeah,
penalty.
that was
but,
not going to happen. I'm not going to put blood on my hands unless we took him to a dark alleyway and get some people to beat up on him and then possibly put a bullet in his head. Maybe, but
Maybe.
again,
Jesus.
we are in a. The
Yeah, I
owner
can,
is a
I-
policeman, and I'm not trying to get him legally liable for it, and especially
I
since I
can,
just got my bar license.
I can accept these. I can accept these.
These terms,
terms,
yeah,
yeah.
I mean, you have no other choice. I mean, God,
Yes, yeah.
it's toilet court after all.
This is toilet court. It's his courthouse.
Yep. That was a pretty good court case, I gotta be honest.
That was
Even
brilliant.
as much as bias it was towards that man, it was clear throat. You ever think of being a public defender?
Who me?
Oh no, just the women on the witness stand. No, you of course.
Shit, I don't know. That's another thing to add to my add to my record.
Yeah, you could just also write it on a piece of sticky note and then put it in your hat, just to literally say that you have your name in a lot of hats.
True that. True that.
Okay.